Props and welcome to my vlog. Samahan niyo po ako mag-celebrate ng 8th birthday ko. Tara! Guys, prepare muna po natin ang birthday balloons ko.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wish na wish.
Sana po may toy car po ako. Sana po magkaroon na po akong baby brother.
Happy birthday.
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you pa Mami at Daddy at sa lahat ng bumate ngayong birthday ko. Super happy po ako. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!